Hello students, this is Mr. Sims and we are on the back of page 50 in our Blue Student books, and we're going to talk about combining, hold on, bless me, sorry, combining fractions. Right. So the goal of this short lesson video, where I'm going to do 3 examples, is I can combine fractions. And we'll be using the calculator for this throughout the problems. So I will grab a calculator and use that to model. Okay. So, first example we're going to do. And really all I'm going to do differently is I'm going to start throwing some negatives in here. So we're going to combine negative 1/2 and negative 3/4. So it will be negative 1/2 minus 3/4. So we'll take our calculator, and you have to make sure that when you're putting a negative in to start with that you use this button down here. So we press negative. Oh, helps if you turn it on first. Negative. Wait for the focus to come back. All right. 1 ABC 2 minus 3 ABC 4. And we get negative 1 1/4. And don't forget that there is that negative there, so you have to write that down. Done. That's all there really has to do with these problems here. All right, number 2. Let's do negative 2/7 minus, then parentheses, negative 4/5. All right. Pause if you need to make sure you get the problem written down. All right, so moving on. So now I have a negative 2/7, so hit the negative button. Negative 2, ABC 7. All right, now this is the tricky one. Okay, you have 2 things you can either do. You can put the minus in, then another negative. Or you can remember that this really means plus 4/5. If you don't remember that, we'll just do the minus negative. I'll just do either both of them so you can see. So I'm going to hit the minus sign, minus. Then I'm going to do parentheses, negative 4 ABC 5. Close the parentheses, hit enter, and I get 18 over 35. Now watch what happens if I do the negative 2/7 plus 4/5. Watch this. Negative 2 ABC 7 plus 4 ABC 5. And you see that we get the same answer. All right, so either one will work. All right. Okay, and then for 3, I'm going to do a couple of mixed numbers. So let's do negative 6 2/3 plus 3 1/5. Let's do that. Right. To do mixed numbers on the calculator, you have to hit the ABC button twice, actually. So when we want to do negative 6 2/3, we'd have to press clear, the negative button, 6, then hit ABC, then 2, then we got to hit ABC again, then 3. That's 6 2/3. Plus 3 ABC 1, and hit the ABC button again, 5, 3 1/5. Hit enter, and we get negative 3 7/15. Okay. So that is really it. So once the video is completed, your next task will be to, that's why I said to be on the back of page 50, because you're going to go right to page 51, and you're going to pick a column to do on page 51, and then you're going to pick a column to do on page 52. And once you're done there, we'll move you on to the next task. So this is Mr. Sims signing off.